SBA review lesson number 9 is on solving and graphing inequalities. Here we have just kind of a brief overview. Open circle for less than or greater than, closed circle for less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and then the big one that we need to remember is reverse the inequality symbol only when you have a negative coefficient. And that just means a number attached to an x. So if there's a number attached to an x that is negative, you will flip the inequality symbol. For example, number 1, we want to draw a mirror line just like we're solving an equation. I need to get rid of the constant on the side of the variable. So I need to get rid of this positive 12. To do that, I do the inverse or the opposite of a positive 12. And I put a negative 12 on both sides. Here I drop down my 5x. I have 2 minus 12, or negative 10. And I drop down my inequality symbol. Step 2, I need to divide by the coefficient. This coefficient is positive, so it will not flip my symbol. I'm going to divide both sides by 5. X is less than or equal to negative 10 divided by a positive 5, which is negative 2. Now on my number line, I'm going to go ahead and put a closed circle because it has the equal to symbol. And x is everything less than or equal to negative 2. For example, number 2, we have decimals, so we might want to use a calculator. I'm going to draw my mirror line just like on example 1. Here's my variable. I need to get rid of this constant, which is a positive 1.8. The opposite of a positive 1.8 is negative 1.8. That's going to cancel out. I bring down this negative 0.4x, bring down my inequality, and I'm going to use my calculator to calculate 1.6 minus 1.8. And I get a negative 0.2. Step 2, I need to divide by the coefficient. This coefficient is negative. My inequality symbol will flip. I need to divide both sides by a negative 0.4. That will cancel out. So now I have negative 0.2, it's already in my calculator, divided by negative 0.4. And I get positive 0.5. Now, on 0.5, which is right between 0 and 1, I'm going to draw an open circle. X is everything greater than 0.5. That concludes review lesson 9.